Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet primrose stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the primrose stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 3. Then you're going to start the stitch that I'm going to work on the row that I'm currently working right here. You're going to start that in the second chain from your hook. You're then going to work that stitch. Then you're going to skip 2 chains, work that stitch again, and repeat that for your first row. So in the row that I'm currently working, I've made 2 chains. You're going to want to skip 2 double crochet stitches and only work into this middle one. You can see how I've made this row right here is made of double crochet, and you make a block of 3. You're going to want to work only in the middle ones. So you're going to work a single crochet into that stitch, chain 2, and then a single crochet in that same stitch. And that's the stitch you're going to be working for your first row down here. You can see I've made a single, chain 2, single, and then you're going to be working these double crochet blocks in between. So it's going to be, the primrose stitch is made up of 2 rows that are going to alternate between these. So again, you're going to skip 2 double crochet. You're going to only work in the middle one right here. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, skip 2, only work in this middle one, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, skip 2, single crochet in the next one, chain 2, single crochet in that same stitch, skip 2, single crochet in the next one, chain 2, single crochet in that same stitch. Then you're going to want to work 1 single crochet in the last stitch, and that's going to be the first row of your primrose stitch. You're then going to chain 3, turn your work. Then you're going to work 3 double crochet into the space that we made from those chain 2s. So 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. You can see how that sets up the next row that we had made these singles on, that you're going to be working only in the center of these 3 double crochets. So again, 3 double crochet in the space that we made from those chain 2s. 1, 2, 3. Next one, 1, 2, 3. Next one, 1, 2, 3. Next space from those chain 2s, 1, 2, 3. Same thing for your last one, 1, 2, 3. Then in the last stitch, you're going to want to make 1 double crochet. So then you would just repeat these 2 rows that I had made for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet primrose stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future videos you want to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.